Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Friday, the 1st of March 2019. So yesterday in the pound, moving lower, not a lot happening at all. The market waiting for further news with regards to Brexit, and this was reflected in the price action here. You can see prices moving lower, then they bounce back, and then they move lower. Then it's very choppy here. Yesterday afternoon, after we finish looking at the pound just after 3:30. And then the market's become sideways, that you can see here on the overnight. So, as I said yesterday, the market is waiting for news of what May is going to do, and also the vote we've got coming up the week after next as well. So the pound not doing a lot at the moment. Powell was speaking at 1:15 and nothing else to report. ISM manufacturing, the market's not really going to take any notice of this, so no news today. And for the Dow, yesterday, this is yesterday morning, the Dow moved sharply low. This is when Trump walked away from any negotiations with the president of North Korea. And then it managed to grind its way all the way back up to the 200 bar moving average and the DP level. And we're struggling at this point, but they managed to drive initially, but then failed. You can see the buying coming in here at the 200 bar moving average, and then it just turned and went south and became choppy, which is something we haven't seen for a while with the Dow. Just to always keep in mind that the one direction that we've been having has become a choppy affair, certainly for yesterday, and it just got narrower and eventually moved lower. Whereas normally we're so used to seeing the retracement and then the market just working its way up or down. So yesterday, not a good day, just no range yesterday at all. Barely, well, it was 100 from this high down to this low, but this is after the market close. So yeah, a quiet day, and that's reflected in the chart, but it's been quiet all week, as we've seen. It's a sideways move, the market bouncing off the 76% retracement on the overnight. Look at this here, Powell's comments helping the market gapping up there, filling the gap and then moving higher. So Powell's comments, whatever they were, no doubt dovish comments, have sent the market to the upside there, and trading at yesterday's high on the overnight and above the 200 bar moving average and DP as well. So a bit of a bullish move going on there. And then finally, nothing to report in crypto land. Very quiet, as you can see. If I just reset this, you'll see we've got that sideways range developing quite nicely there. And that's about it for this market. So today, no news to move the Dow. It's Friday though, so they can, as long as there's nobody selling into it, they can move it higher. The pound, well, it needs some sort of news. As I say, it's levitating at the moment, waiting for the May vote, which I think was it on the 13th of March? I don't know, but it's a few days away, so we could expect a bit more sideways move there until. Okay, that will do it for this one and for this week. If there is anything to report, I will let you know. But otherwise, as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.